Hello, Mom and Sir. Good day. My name is Rachel Flora Trompeta, currently living at La Paz, Iloilo City, Philippines. 46 years old, married, and have three boys. And siblings, I have three siblings, one sister, and two brothers. And I am the eldest one. My work experience are in first in Kuwait. I start working in Kuwait 2005 until 2014. I do taking care of kids ages 4 years old and 7 years old. And there is elderly also. I do taking care of her also, and I do some cleaning, household chores, and do some cooking. Sometimes I do have the other worker, and my second experience are in China. I start work there at 2017 until 2019 December. Um, I do take care of 1 year old and a half girl, uh, um, and cleaning the house, doing some household chores like washing, um, cooking, um, yeah, and do some household chores also because there is a Chinese family, the other worker. And currently, I work here at the Philippines. I start work here 2000 uh, 2021 until now. I do take care of two boys in the family and do some cleaning and some household chores also. Thank you, Mom. If you hire me, I will be grateful and love my work. To do my work, I do my best to 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 make you happy, and I am trustworthy. Um, Thank you, Mom, and good day, and God bless. Thank you.